Extrinsic semiconductors. Extrinsic semiconductors means the semiconductor have extrinsic semiconductors means the semiconductor have impure form. Okay, that means simply called as pure semiconductor doped with other substance. Doping means adding. In the chemistry, doping means adding. Nana, in the semiconductors have two types. One is intrinsic, another one is extrinsic. Intrinsic means simply called as pure form. Nana. Extrinsic means it is a impure form. That means a pure semiconductor doped with other substance. That means adding with the other substance. Based on doping, impure semiconductors, that means extrinsic semiconductors have two types. That is, first one is P type. Second one is N type. Okay? Nana, based on doping, impure semiconductors have two types. Nana, one is P type. Nana, other one is N type. One is P type, other one is N type. Okay? Next, Nana, I discuss here. Nana, look here. First one is here. Nana, N type. Okay, look here. Here, Nana, we obtain N type pure semiconductor. That means intrinsic semiconductor doped with, dope means add, doped with fifth group elements. Fifth group elements like arsenic, phosphorus and so on. Once again, pure semiconductor doped with fifth group elements like arsenic, phosphorus and so on. Okay, we obtain N type. Actually, I explain N type in this manner. Silicon, pure semiconductor, best example silicon. Silicon is a fourth group elements. According to chemistry, it contains 4 valency electrons. That means for each atom of silicon, it contains 4 unpaired electrons. 4 unpaired electrons. Here, look here, 4 unpaired electrons. Because silicon as a fourth group element, it contains for each atom 4 valency electrons or 4 unpaired electrons. According to heading, it doped with which group? Fifth group. For example, arsenic contains 5 valency electrons. That's why here. Okay? Here, look here, 5 valency electrons. Here, 5 valency electron means arsenic. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fifth one. That means here 4 covalent bonds are formed, but one is excess because of, once again look here, silicon have 4 unpaired electrons. It will be added in fifth group, so that's why it will be added in 5 valency electrons. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 covalent bonds are formed. One is excess. For one atom, one is excess, substance contains so many atoms, so many X's are there. So here, that means here which is X's nana? Which is X's nana? So many X's are there nana. So many X's are there. So in the N-type contain excess number of electrons because it is doped with fifth group. So that's why it contains more number of excess number of electrons. These excess number of electrons is nothing but the free electrons. It is also called as conduction electrons. Suppose, look here Nana. This is the what band? Valency band. This is which band? Conduction band. Okay? Look here Nana. Here valency band contain two holes Nana. That means here how many electrons are undali? Generally 2 electrons undali. Kani it is doped on fifth group element. That means so many excess electrons are there. So many excess electrons are there. Excess electrons are called free electrons. So that's why conduction band contains more electrons compared to valency band. Simply called as Ne. Ne greater than NH. That means number of electrons in the conduction band more compared to number of holes in the valency band. Okay, that means simply called as Ne by NH greater than 1. Okay. Here, which will be excess is there, electrons. So, in the N-type is called as donor. In the N-type is called donor. Okay, Nana? Nana, here, to solve the problems, we discuss one formula, Nana, that is Ne into NH equal to Ni square. In the previous formula, pure semiconductor is gurtunda meeku Ne equal to NH equal to Ni. Okay, ade impure aithe this is the formula nana. Extrinsic aithe what is the formula? Ne into NH equal to Ni square. In the extrinsic, Ne not equal to NH. Ikkada P in the P type, which is more? Ne is more compared to NH. Simply call as two steps nana. In the N-type semiconductor we obtain pure semiconductor doped with fifth group elements, that is also called as pentavalent impurities. Fifth group elements other name nana. Pentavalent impurities doped nana. Here one excess electron for each atom. So substance contains so many atoms. So that's why so many atoms. So that's why so many excess number of electrons are present. So that's why N-type is called donor. Here number of electrons in the conduction band more compared to number of holes in the valency band. That's why Ne greater than NH. That means Ne by NH less Ne by NH greater than 1. And again in the impure semiconductors one formula we get to solve the problems Ne into NH equal to Ni square. Next Nana, I discuss P type. P type. In the P type, pure silicon, pure semiconductor, pure silicon doped with థర్డ్ గ్రూప్ ఎలిమెంట్స్. ఇంతకీ డోప్ అంటే ఏంటన్నా యాడింగ్ ఇంప్యూరిటీస్. ఈసారి ఏ గ్రూప్ డోప్ చేయాలి? థర్డ్ గ్రూప్. ఫిఫ్త్ గ్రూప్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ పెంటావలెంట్. థర్డ్ గ్రూప్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ ట్రైవలెంట్ ఇంప్యూరిటీస్ ఆర్ యాడెడ్. Trivalent impurities are added. Trivalent third group example aluminum, boron, indium. Aluminum, boron, indium. This is the third group elements. Pure silicon added with third group elements we obtain p type. For example, silicon is the fourth group element. It contains 4 valency electrons or 4 unpaired electrons here. But it is added third group boron. Boron contains 3 valency electrons. That's why here 3 covalent bonds are formed according to chemistry. Here 1 electron is there. That means covalent bonds silicon have in a group, fourth group. 4 covalent bonds రావాలైతే because of adding the third group here through 3 covalent bonds are formed. That means here here 1 electron deficiency is there. That means 1 boron atom. For each boron atom 1 electron deficiency, because boron have third group or fifth group? Third group. So that's why for each boron atom I have 3 valency electron. That's why for each boron atom deficiency of 1 electron. Deficiency means korata. Deficiency of 1 electron. So that's why for each boron atom produce a hole and to form a covalent bond. That means for each boron atom to produce a hole, because here vacant is there. So that's why to fulfill the vacant, for each boron atom to produce a hole, 1 boron atom 1 hole produce. Substance contains so many boron atoms, so many holes are produced in the valency band. So many holes are produced in the valency band. Here look here, this is the valency band. This is the conduction band. This is valency band. This is conduction band. Here look here. This is a hole. This is electron. Because electron moves from valency band to conduction band. Here a vacant is created. This vacant is nothing but the hole. But here according to doping, 1 boron atom to produce 1 hole in the valency band. So that's why here holes 1, 2, 3, 4. But here electrons is how many? 1, 2. That means according to condition Ne lesser than NH. That means number of electrons in the conduction band lesser than number of holes in the valency band. Simply call as Ne by NH value lesser than 1. For what type of semiconductor? P type. N type అయితే Ne by NH greater than 1. అదే ప్యూర్ సెమీకండక్టర్ అయితే Ne equal to NH. Okay, here and again I discussed to solve the problems for impure semiconductor is Ne into NH equal to Ni square. Okay, this is the P type semiconductors. Here electrons deficiency are there, so that's why this is called deficiency is called. That's why in the P type semiconductor is called acceptor. In the n-type, electrons are excess. N-type semiconductor is called donor. N-type semiconductor is called donor. Okay. Next, I discuss Fermi energy level. Kiran, hold. Fermi energy level. Okay. Fermi energy level means simply called as average energy of holes in the valency band and electrons in the conduction band. Once again I repeat now. Fermi energy level means average energy of holes in the valency band and electrons in the conduction band. This whole energy is called Fermi energy level. Simply some textbooks write as FEL. FEG and forbidden energy gap. Forbidden energy gap and the energy gap between valency band to conduction band. For silicon forbidden energy gap is 1.1 eV. Germanium 0.7 eV. Diamond 2.5 eV. Insulator approximately 6 eV. Or are greater than 3 eV. Fermi energy level means the average energy of hole in the valency band and electrons in the conduction band. Here, look here Nana, I explain Fermi energy level. We discussed three types. One is intrinsic, second one is extrinsic. But extrinsic is classified based on doping. Two types, one is N-type, other one is P-type. N-type is pentavalent impurities. That means fifth group elements are doped, we obtain N-type. Third group elements are doped, we obtain P-type, P-type, P-type. Here, intrinsic semiconductors nana. Intrinsic semiconductors. Intrinsic semiconductors means nana, the semiconductor have pure form nana. I take silicon nana. In the we know that in pure semiconductors, number of electrons in the conduction band equal to number of holes in the valency band. That means ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఎలక్ట్రాన్ ఇక్కడికి జంప్ అయితే ఇక్కడ ఎలక్ట్రాన్ వస్తుంది. A vacant is nothing but the call in the chapter hole. Hole is electrically positive charge. According to this topic, this is valency band, this is conduction band. To check them, number of electrons in the conduction band equal to number of holes in the valency band. Both are same nana. So Fermi energy level just at the center of two bands nana. Just center of two bands. Fermi energy level means average energy of electrons in the conduction band and holes in the valency band. Both are equal. So Fermi energy level just center of the two bands nana. This is the pure semiconductor nana. Okay. Nana silicon forbidden energy gap is 1.1 eV. So that's why it becomes center kabatti it is 0.55 eV. This also 0.55 eV. Germanium forbidden energy gap also nana, this is also pure semiconductor. Fermi energy level is center of the two bands nana. For germanium, its forbidden energy gap is 0.7 eV. So that's why this is 0.35 eV. This is 0.35 eV. Totally 0.7. Okay. This is the intrinsic nana. This is called pure semiconductor. Look here nana. Look here. This is the N-type semiconductor nana. This is the N-type semiconductor. In the N-type semiconductor nana, look here nana. This is the N-type semiconductor. This is the diagram nana. This is called valency band. This is called conduction band. In the N-type semiconductor contains, in the N-type semiconductor here valency band, lower filled band is called valency band, upper unfilled band is called conduction band. In the n-type semiconductor is called as donor. Donor means excess number of electrons are present because it is doped with fifth group element. So number of electrons in the conduction band is more compared to number of holes in the valency band. Count చేయండి 2 holes ఉన్నాయి. ఇక్కడ ఎన్ని ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ ఉన్నాయి? 4 ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. దట్ మీన్స్ ఇవి ఎక్కువ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి Fermi energy level means average energy of electrons in the conduction band, holes in the valency band. ఏవి ఎక్కువ ఉన్నాయి? ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ ఎక్కువ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి Fermi energy level shift nearer to conduction band and far to valency band. In which type nana? N type. Here we discuss P type nana. In the P type also this band is called valency band. This band is called conduction band. Okay, here nana, here holes is 4 nana, here electrons is 2 nana, 3 for example, another 2 అనుకుందాం. ఇప్పుడు ఇది P type అంటే it is called acceptor nana, acceptor. So here more number of holes are produced nana, more number of holes are produced. So that's why Fermi energy level is very near to the valency band. In what type nana? P type. Nana in the center nana, in the center. Fermi energy level nearer to valency band అయితే ఆ టైప్ ఏమంటారు? P type. nana Fermi energy level nearer to conduction band అయితే దాన్ని ఏమంటారు? N type. nana 1 minute, one conclusion also I give nana to see the diagram. Here in the N type, which is more nana, electrons or holes are? Nana here, look here nana. ఇక్కడ ఏమున్నాయి? ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఎన్ని ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ ఉన్నాయి? 4 ఉన్నాయి. ఇక్కడ ఎన్ని హోల్స్ ఉన్నాయి? 2 ఉన్నాయి. మరి అంటే ఇక్కడ ఏవి మోర్ ఉన్నాయి? ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ మోర్ నానా. ఎనీ వాల్యూ greater than NH nana. That means in the N type majority charge carriers means more number of charge carriers are electrons. Minority charge carriers are holes. Okay, in the N type majority charge carriers are electrons, minority charge carriers are holes. Okay, in the P type look here nana. In the P type number of holes greater than number of electrons. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఏం మోర్ ఉన్నాయి? హోల్స్ మోర్ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి in the P type majority charge carriers are holes nana, minority charge carriers అంటే less ఏమున్నాయంటే ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. నన్ను ఒక స్మాల్ డౌట్ నానా. In the N type, what is the majority charge carriers? N type majority is electrons, minority is holes. In the P type majority is holes, minority is electrons. I explain according to diagrams. In the N type, which is more, the conduction band electrons is more. Here holes is less. Because N type is called donor. Donor means fifth group adding, excess number is electron. So that's why here nana, here what is the majority charge carriers in the N type nana? Nana very important, 2 marks bit. What is the majority charge carriers in N type? Electrons. Minority charge carriers in the N type? Hole. Nana here what is the majority charge carriers in the P type nana? P type holes. Minority ఏంటి nana? Electrons. Very important nana. nana here N type రావాలంటే దేంతో డోప్ చేయాలి? ఫిఫ్త్ గ్రూప్ తో డోప్ చేయాలి. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ డోనార్ అంటారు. కాబట్టి ఎక్సెస్ ఏముంటాయంటే N type లో ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ కాబట్టి మెజారిటీ మీన్స్ మోర్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ చార్జ్ క్యారియర్స్ బికాజ్ Ne is more nana. Majority charge carriers are electrons, minority charge carriers are holes. In the P type, majority charge carriers are holes, minority charge carriers are electrons. Okay, next I discuss tomorrow bias in. Okay.